Alright, go for it. Break the shit out of it. Harder! 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 It didn't go back.
Fucking work!
One more time, harder. Did you fix it?
Am I a pussy or what?
You're such a bitch. Break the shit out of that thing, you pussy. Did you break something?
Oh yeah, it's definitely breaking.
Push it. Punch it, dude. Hammer fist it. Cook something in there.
What?
Rip it apart. Rip it. Break it.
Nah, we gotta.
You wanna watch these pound it down?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Fucking keep it up there, dude.
You done? Why don't you just rip the door off? Oh! Alright, that's enough.
Alright.